Question, Miss Carla, can you tell us about your look for tonight?
Okay, for tonight, I am wearing a beautiful canary yellow gown by Makuma. So first time to be working with Makuma. Ano kaya, nasa wishlist ko yan na makapagsuot ng Makuma. So finally, the opportunity came. Turned out so well, just what we wanted, stylist or even more pa nga siya. So very happy and proud to be wearing a beautiful yellow, bright yellow gown by Makuma.
Ayan, hindi po kompleto ang ating GMA Gala coverage nang wala tayong bag raid.
Yeah, okay.
Can we do a bag raid po?
My phone is already...
Hawakan ko po yung
sige.
mic and the phone.
Okay, thank you. So of course, cell phone as part of the bag raid, it's inside the bag, and yes, it fits. Surprisingly, it's just lipstick, pang retouch lang, and tissue lang. Yun lang yung kasya sa bag ko tonight. So cell phone, tissue, and lipstick.
And what do you like about the bag po?